So, you've got money parked in Wealthsimple, and you're wondering, how much can I actually pull out without breaking the bank or facing some weird restrictions? Right? Let's dive in and sort this out. Now, the short answer might surprise you. There isn't a strict, one-size-fits-all limit on how much you can withdraw from Wealthsimple. It's more about the type of account you have and a few other factors. Let's break it down. First off, we've got your standard investment accounts. These could be your tax-free savings account, TFSA, registered retirement savings plan, RRSP, or even a non-registered account. Good news, for these, the sky's pretty much the limit. You can generally withdraw as much as you want, whenever you want. But there's a catch. With TFSAs, while you can pull out as much as you like, remember, you're not adding to your contribution room until the next year. So, plan your withdrawals wisely. RRSPs, well, that's a whole different ballgame with taxes, so you might want to chat with a financial advisor before making any big moves. Then we have managed accounts. These are a bit different. Wealthsimple handles the investing for you, and there's usually a small fee. The good news is, you can still withdraw money, but you'll typically have access to 99.5% of your funds. That remaining 0.5%? It's there to cover any potential fees. Now, let's talk about crypto. If you're holding crypto on Wealthsimple, there are limits. You can withdraw up to $10,000 CAD per day and $25,000 CAD per week. Plus, you'll need to verify your identity with a selfie if you haven't already. But wait, there's more. You can also use your linked debit card to withdraw funds instantly. However, this comes with a 2.5% fee, and there are daily and monthly limits. So, it's not ideal for large withdrawals. So, to recap. Investment accounts, TFSA, RRSP, non-registered generally, no limits. Managed accounts, access to 99.5% of funds. Crypto, daily and weekly limits, identity verification required. Instant withdrawals, possible, but with fees and limits. Remember, these are general guidelines. Always check the specific details of your account and any recent changes in Wealthsimple's policies. One last thing, while you can technically withdraw a large sum, consider your financial goals. Sudden large withdrawals might impact your investment growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.